Financial markets move fast. Inflation, trade wars, changing interest rates, pandemics, every event creates waves that analysts must interpret. Global economic challenges demand data-driven solutions. But not every financial research analyst is a skilled Python coder. On the other side, Python coders and data analysts have the technical skills but lack the financial research expertise to address these challenges effectively. For many individual, small, and medium financial research teams, hiring costly data analysts or Python coders is simply not affordable. Introducing PyStatIQ by PredictRAM, the marketplace that bridges the gap between financial research analysts and Python coders. Here's how it works. Research analysts post their real-world economic problems, like predicting market impacts or optimizing stock portfolios. Python coders and data analysts create tailored solutions using advanced machine learning models. Our AI ensures quality by validating the solution's accuracy, ensuring the generated models align perfectly with the problem statement. Why Python? Because it's the official language recognized by leading institutes like CFA, FRM, and GARP. Many top companies rely on Python for financial modeling and machine learning in finance. Whether you're an analyst looking for predictive insights or a coder ready to monetize your expertise, PyStatIQ is the place where collaboration meets innovation. Together, we solve the world's most pressing financial challenges and empower the future of finance. Join PyStatIQ today. Your journey to solving real-world financial problems starts here.